العظيم رب العرش العظيم أن يشفيه شفاء لا يغادر سقما.
So this is going to be a detox session for our brother Jamil. He has high blood pressure, so we're going to be mindful of the way that we make the scratches as we discussed in the class. And you're going to see how we make the scratches on one who has high blood pressure. The students recall that we spoke about in the class putting the gloves on and doubling your gloves. You want to double your gloves with each session. So as normal, the first thing that we're going to begin with is the alcohol. Next is the black seed oil. Now the black seed oil that we recommend is this, the Ethiopian black seed oil. So it's the best quality of black seed oil. And this is what I have inside of this bottle. Black seed oil, the Ethiopian black seed oil. So I know this is your first time. This is the most uncomfortable part of it, is the cups pulling on your skin like that. I know it feels kind of tight, but this is the worst of it. So everything else is really easy. So this is the points for your detox treatment. 2 cups on the kahel, primary center points, lung points, kidney points. Lower points help purify the blood in and around the kidneys, liver, and spleen. These cups here are also good for aiding the reproductive system. Blades that we recommend using, the size 10 surgical blades to make your scratches. This is how the size 10 surgical blade looks. For a person who has high blood pressure, you're going to make no more than 15 scratches on each point. So I will do 3 rows of 5. Fortunately, our brother, he helps to regulate his high blood pressure by a proper diet. And as you mentioned in the class, Ibn Qayyim, he says that if an ailment can be maintained by way of rectifying one's diet, one's eating habits, then it's not permissible in that case to resort to medication. So all you got to do is utilize the all-natural remedies. Things like diet and eating right, likewise things like hijama. After finishing with the blade, put it into your sharps container. So the person who asked for someone who has high blood pressure, no more than 15 scratches on each point. Students, please observe the manner of wiping. Lift the cup back and wipe in the direction of the cuts or scratches. Wipe the inside of the cup. Lift the valve stem, tilt the cup back, and wipe in the direction of the scratches. Never wipe across the scratches, rather wipe in the same direction as the scratches. Also bear in mind that whatever hand you use to handle the tissue, and thus this hand will be the hand that likely gets the most blood on it, you use the opposite hand to handle the pump. So I'm wiping with my right hand. I will use my left hand to handle the pump, and my right hand will handle the cup. So you have this consistent rotation. It's very systematic. And this one has the most blood, so we're going to use slightly more tissue. You're going to be careful in how you wipe because you don't want spills, things like this. You'll get more comfortable wiping effectively the more you practice. When I first started, spills were a frequent occurrence. And as you start doing it more, you get more comfortable and learn little tricks. So the question asks, how many sessions for someone with high blood pressure? He's not being treated for high blood pressure now, but the high blood pressure treatment consists of 14 cups on various points of the body. Some of them are the points that you see now, like these two on the calf head especially, and other points throughout the body. And it can be regulated by way of regular hijamah. Since high blood pressure is typically something that doesn't go away, so you're going to get it every time you experience episodes with your blood pressure. And how long do I typically leave the cups on before and after the scratches? So before the scratches, typically 3 to 5 minutes, or until I see coloration in the skin. You see this pump here, or this cup, you see how the skin is discolored, how dark it is? This is letting me know that it's going to be time to remove them. And likewise, what I'm looking for, as the students know, the plasma beads, like there's some plasma beads in this cup. This lets me know that the session is done. I'm not going to get much more blood than what you see now. So I'm going to start removing these one by one and getting them cleaned up and sending them home. See some plasma beads here. Let me know that the session is done. plasma. You guys can see the plasma here. The second part of the question is after I make the scratches, how long do I keep the cups on? So either 5 minutes or somewhere thereabout, or I'm looking for the cup to be 3/4 full with blood. Whichever the two comes first, 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, or the cup being 3/4 of the way full with blood. Once the cups have been removed, I'm going to reapply alcohol. So I let my client know it may sting a little bit. Maybe not. Once I put the alcohol on, I'm going to pat it. Each point. Reapply the black seed oil once again. The black seed oil has benefits topically, helps to speed up the healing process. Okay, this concludes this session. So you just observe the marks, how they look. You see where I put the cups at. Okay, so we're going to end the session. We're going to end the live now. Any other students who have questions, you can text me on WhatsApp. Anybody who's not a student and is watching the session, if you're interested in our Hijāmah course, follow us on Instagram or Facebook for details regarding the Ash-Shifaa Hijamah course. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
الله العظيم رب العرش العظيم أن يشفيه شفاء لا يغادر سقما